This tutorial will teach you how to make a simple zipper purse with a lining and pocket inside. I've also digitized the pattern that I used for this bag, so if you follow the link in the description below, you can print it out for free and follow along with this step by step. You don't have to sign up for an email list or anything, it's just a free pattern. The first thing that you need to do is apply interfacing to the front and back bag pieces. For the inner pocket, you want to hem the top edge and then fold over the bottom and sides and sew it to the lining. Now you want to sew the darts in the bag and the lining pieces. This will give dimension to the bag when it's finished, so it's not just going to be completely flat. Now it's time to add the zipper. Place the zipper face down on one of the bag pieces and sew along the edge. Line up the edge of the zipper and the fabric and sew between the edge and the zipper teeth. Leave about 1 to 2 inches of the zipper free at the bottom. Now you want to attach your zipper to the other side of the fabric. You want to make sure that it is face down against the other bag piece and repeat the process. Make sure the front and back of the bag line up. Okay, next you want to open the zipper. Now you want to add the lining. You want to sandwich the zipper between the lining and the fabric piece. The teeth of the zipper should be facing in towards the center, with the edges of the lining and the bag pieces lining up. Then you want to sew on the front and back lining. Once sewn, flip the lining through the zipper opening and test to make sure the zipper is working properly. With the zipper in the middle, fold the linings together on one side and the outer bag layers together on the other. Sew around the perimeter of both sides. This means you're sewing all the way down the handles of the main bag piece. You also want to leave a gap in the base of the lining so that you'll be able to turn everything to the right side. Once everything is sewn, you want to clip the curves and then turn the bag to the right side. Make sure to press everything and then sew up that little gap in the lining. Stuff the lining inside the bag and make sure that the zipper works properly, and then tie your handle and you're finished.